These are our pattern pieces. We have the sleeve, the bodice front, bodice back, the skirt back, and the skirt front. Then we have the back neckline facing, as well as the front neckline facing. This is our sleeve pattern, and here we have 4 notches, 1 center notch and 2 on the sides that refer to the gathering. We also have a double notch on one side, letting us know that this is the back side of the sleeve, which matches with the bodice back. To mark the notches, I like to do a straight cut first, and then a little cut on an angle. That way I can mark the fabric along the straight cut. I will do the same for my back bodice and front bodice. For the dart on the front bodice, I will fold the dart in the middle and cut a little triangle at the point. Cut the notch at the center front. This control point will help us match the neckline facing. I will do the same with the front neckline facing, the skirt back, and the skirt front. These control points are very important as they will help us match our pattern together. Now we will make sure our printed pattern fits with our personal measurements. Using the measurement guides, I've taken all the needed measurements here so I can always refer to them when I need to. The most important measurements that you will always need to check with all of your patterns are bust, waist, and hip line. We also need the length from nape to waistline, length from shoulder neckline over the bust to the waistline, and the length of the garment. So I transferred all of these measurements onto the blank measurement guide, and I will fill out the half and quarter columns. First, on the bodice back, I will check the nape to waistline. If you need to, you can shorten it here. Check the bust level. Make sure you have about ½ an inch for ease. Now for the waistline. Measure inside the seam allowances. In my case, I have a 2-inch ease total for the waistline. I will make a note of this so that I know that this pattern fits a 24 to 26 inch waistline. It's always a good idea to write a note of how much ease is included in your pattern for future reference. Then on the bodice front, I'll check the measurement from the shoulder neckline point to the waist at the front. If you need to, you can shorten it here. Now we will check the skirt. At this point, you need to decide how long you want your skirt to be. So measure out your desired length of the skirt.